Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this ground Stumptown coffee, and this is the Holler Mountain blend. I am well and truly known amongst my friends as a coffee snob, so the fact that I found this beautiful Stumptown coffee that came ground that I can use in my pour over was amazing, and I cannot rave about it enough. The grind is perfect for using in these cone pour overs. Just add the hot water to the appropriate amount and just watch that little amber gold drip through the bottom. It is fantastic. All those crema flavors on the top are just to die for. I'm really happy that I found this because usually I buy whole bean and grind at home, but while I'm on vacation, I don't have my grinder handy, so this grind actually is perfect for this as well. And I super love the flavors of this Stumptown coffee. I can highly recommend it. Like I said, I'm a huge coffee snob, so if you knew me, you would know how much that recommendation means. So here we go, we have it, it is going through, it is absolutely beautiful. Right here is just without cream. I do add a dash of milk to mine, just I like that flavor, and here you go. It is absolutely gorgeous. I wish you could smell how fabulous this smelled. So guys, I love this. I think it's absolutely delicious. As you can tell, the bag's practically gone. So I think you'll love it too if you are a coffee fan like myself, but that's just my point of view.